The door didn't close. Wait, Frank, the door didn't close. How many miles does it have?
200,000.
Oh snap!
The thing is, this is not even the factory cluster. This thing is not factory because factory doesn't have this. Honda Civic does not have this model. Does not have the RPM gauge. It only have basic as far as I remember.
Yeah.
But this clutch cat very fast.
We go back to old school. Roll up your window. Roll down your window. It's missing a bolt. Focus. Bolt. Missing one. Oh, look at the front splitter thing. How about mismatched? Bumper's missing or scrape there. This front lip thingy is not the same, but whatever. It's got a spoiler on it too. That's sick. Paint it black, put it back. Should make it pink. That'd be funny. Wrap the car pink. Oh.
Yeah. Like this is not flat. Like there's a lot of body work that's in there. This is not flat. It's way over.
I don't know if you can see on camera, but
We bought the car.
it's not really. It's not flat.
Or we're gonna remove these wheels because you know as nice as the work wheels are, we want to advertise our own wheels.
Those are work wheels?
Yeah, those are work wheels. I explained it to you. $1,800.
What is this equip on it?
Equip is work equip. Work equip.
It's like the line.
Yeah, the line. It's like work equip. It's kind of like you know.
Those aren't real multi-piece wheels, right? Well, that one's missing a nut. The front left one's missing a nut.
And it's carb legal.
It is carb.
Yeah. I don't know if the header is dented on the bottom.
Oh, they did.
You could undent it.
Huh?
You could undent it, heat it up, and then knock it over.
Let's just cut it and have our fabricator weld it.
Yeah. So first, oh, there's dents in the roof too. I didn't notice that. You see the two dent things?
That's you know.
This shit fell on top of the roof.
Carbon fiber.
I'm down for that.
Oh, they have. Whoa, they did.
Yeah, they did the whole thing.
Panels. Wow.
But this is just a lunar sheet metal.
Yeah, this is wrapped though.
Yeah, it's wrapped. See?
But that's surprising.
Shh. They don't need to know. It's carbon fiber.
No, I'll just peel it off and paint it.
Paint it.
This is.
Paint it black. Put it back.
Because it's wrapped and it's carpet, it's kind of rice.
Yeah.
This is a little ricey.
I'm not feeling the carpet though. What you guys?
Floor mats. Well, why don't we just rip out the carpet?
What?
No, I noticed it has the push to start.
Yeah.
That's
So-
the key for it.
Huh?
This is one of the keys for it.
Is it?
That's the key.
You scan it. I don't know where the scan.
Right here.
is.
The scan is right here.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, but that
So
card
you
is,
know.
that card also uses a key.
Really? What is this, a homemade Tesla?
Yeah. Oh, that's the good guys.
What the f?
Yeah, that's the lock.
Dude, that's hilarious.
Oh, this is the main relay conversion.
We want to rip out all the carpets.
Huh?
Rip off all the carpets.
I mean, how would you do it though?
Just rip it off. Cut it and then rip the whole thing
I've
off.
done it in my car.
He doesn't have carpets in his car.
Oh, carpet and just have floor mats.
Yeah.
Or
You want floor mats?
metal floor plates. If you want to go that far, it doesn't matter. This, yeah. You want a kill switch? Prioritize. Yeah.
You did?
I would go to Dan for the kill switch.
Exciting. Where's the front plate? Where's the front plate? Does he have a front plate?
I don't know if my door's locked or not. I probably shouldn't be playing with this thing.
Oh yeah, there's no power steering. Ah!
Spins first. Oh my god.
Is it TN suspension underneath?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
To be safe,